in the EEG, one of the more advanced tools we're actually doing this seizure detection project. So we did already training, 18 runs of training. You can see all the results. Above the model results, you can scroll through the data. So it's 600 images, non-seizure and seizure spectrograms of time series EEG. Here you can just see noise and baseline. In the images on the right, you see noise and seizures. So those are spiking, neural spiking activity, slowing down. And hopefully that's what the convolutional neural network model is trained on. It will be unfortunate if it's something else, if it's detecting some other, noise or something, some other difference between the two image types. But we trained it 18 times. Ooh, what happened there? One of them doesn't have an image, or just found the bug, didn't we? 9, 10. You can just scroll with your keyboard, which is nice. As you can see the difference it makes. Yeah, this one didn't do well at all. You have all the test accuracy is 50%. So essentially saying non-seizure for everything. That's not good. Why the resolution of this image is so bad? If I put it at 100%, I really have to make it large, but then it doesn't fit the screen. Anyway, and at the bottom here, it will give you examples of all the misclassified images. And then run 13, all of a sudden, did so much better. And you can see the model accuracy going up and model loss going down, and loss functions going down. We got 98% test accuracy overall. Pretty much similar, 90% on training set and 93% on validation set. Model size just over 100 megabytes, so bugger all. Can run it pretty much anywhere, probably on mobile as well. You have some of the model settings, batch size, the number of epochs, initial learning rate, augmentation is set to false in this case, and shuffling true, and the optimizer type is Adam. We also later included random seed, so that meant to make the results more repeatable between runs, and that actually gave us even better results. So there's essentially literally no misclassified images. So accuracy is 100%. With this type of settings. Still 100% if I run it again. And then all of a sudden we run it again with exactly the same settings, and it doesn't perform so good. So test accuracy all of a sudden drops from 100% to 88%. So I would say whatever, it's almost 20% noise with this setting. So in terms of getting repeatable results, so you run the model multiple times and you get different results, and the test accuracy can vary up to almost 20%. So not very good, is it? Then we added early stopping patients, but that is not actually taking effect during this run. Getting 98%, everything else is the same. 98, 96. Yeah, so it's hard to tell what the the variability of the noise for the test accuracy when you do multiple runs with the same settings. And this is with the Adam optimizer. You seem potentially to get more variable results. With SGD we didn't get to 100% accuracy, but the results are slightly more consistent. This one is different settings altogether. So from this point onward, with batch size of 64, epoch 30, initial learning rate, augmentation false, shuffling true, we get similar results. They don't get to 100%, but they seems that the noise level for the test accuracy is a bit smaller. It's within like 5 plus minus 3 or 4%, maybe a bit more. Yeah, plus minus 5 or so. However, with Adam, all of a sudden we get 100% accuracy, but on another run with exactly the same settings we get 50. So huge variability between runs. Yeah, random seed should address that, but then didn't quite do it. We still have about 18% noise. So I might have to play with this some more. There's a description at the bottom of the page, and more importantly the code, the Python code needed to generate the models, so you can run it on your own data if you like. There's some examples of datasets that you could use. Let's just move to something else. And we also have this transcription service running on the website. It actually only transcribes when you stop speaking, and then it's also calculating your speech rate and the maximum volume. So that's kind of working okay. And full disclaimer again, we are using ChatGPT for pretty much anything. And here we could have made that this text box editable, but yeah, let me know if that's useful or not. Let's clear that for a sec.